Are you looking at yourself upside down? I see you in the mirror. Hi. Hi. I see you. Isabel, you are hysterical. Whoa! Somersault. Uh-oh. Can you make it up? Can you reach my hand? You trying to do more? It's probably not wise near the nightstand. Isabel. Isabel. Isabel, you're just gonna hit the end of the bed. Or it goes sideways. Come on. Hello. Alright, Isabel, you wanna say bye? You wanna wave goodbye? Alright. Say bye-bye, Gabby. Bye-bye, Gabby. You are a goofy, goofy girl. Okay, we're all done. All done. Say bye. No, you already said bye. Okay.